Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, let's localize the gear icon, so the settings. Then in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find the system with this, let's say, info icon. So the third option from the bottom. Let's enter the system. Now the first option, languages. The first option again, system languages. And here we've got the list of the languages which were previously applied. And if you've got your language here, then all you have to do is to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position and release your finger. Then let's simply tap on change. So in the right corner, the option. And as you can see, from now on, the new language is applied. If you do not have the language you'd like to apply here, no worries. Just tap on this plus icon here, and we will be transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. I'll pick this one. It will immediately appear on this previous list. Unfortunately, it is again from Spain, but that's okay. And again, all you have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on this option in the right lower corner, and your device will basically apply the language. This is how it works. Let me quickly go back to English. And if you wish to remove the languages from this list, simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now mark the languages which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.